Hello students, this question is from sets asked in mains 2021 February and specifically this is from 24th February morning session paper from sets. See, sets and relations are optional from mains questions, and among all the 6 session papers of this 2021 February there are 2 questions from sets and relations, and this question is from sets and I have another question from relations. I will discuss that one also. You just have a look at the question on the sheet. See, A is a set and the set contains natural numbers n and that n is a 3-digit number, right? And B is 9k plus 2 for k belongs to natural, and C is 9k plus L for k belongs to naturals, and that L is in between 0 and 9. See, that L may be 1, maybe 2, maybe 3, like that. So here C contains maybe 9k plus 1 form numbers, or maybe 9k plus 2 form numbers, or maybe 9k plus 3 form numbers, like that. Okay, and now what's the question? See, we need to find out sum of all the elements of the set A intersection B union C. See, you need to concentrate on this particular set A intersection B union C. We need to calculate the sum of all the elements from that set A intersection B union C, and they mentioned that the summation is 274 into 400, right? With that particular information we need to mention the value of L as our answer. See, look at the problem once. N is a 3-digit natural numbers, B is numbers of the form 9k plus 2. See, there are many numbers in the form 9k plus 2, and all those numbers may be 2-digit, maybe 3-digit, maybe 4-digit. See, number of digits of the number is not mentioned in particular at B. In the same way, number of digits of the numbers which are in C are not mentioned here in defining set C. But since we are searching for the numbers in A intersection of B union C, since A is a 3-digit number, our target is to find 3-digit numbers of B as well as 3-digit numbers of C. Okay. See, C contains numbers of the form 9k plus L, and since in viewing this A intersection B union C, my target is finding 3-digit numbers of the form 9k plus L. See, since I am trying to find only 3-digit numbers of this particular format, what is the possible value of k? What is the minimum possible value of k as well maximum possible value of k? If you observe, this is 9k plus L, right? If my k is some 10, then 9 into 10 is 90 plus some L is again a 2-digit number. But if my k is 11, 9 into 11 is 99. 99 plus any number which is in between 0 and 9 is a 3-digit number. So the least possible value of k is 11. As well, if you search, the largest possible value of k is 110. Because 90 into 110 is 990. 990 plus any number in between 0 and 9 is again a 3-digit number. So 110 is acceptable for k, but 111 is not acceptable for k. So C contains numbers of the form 9k plus L as they mentioned, but since I am searching for 3-digit numbers of C, so the possible values of k are from 11 to 110. And the question is about identifying sum of all the elements of this particular set. Initially, I am going to identify sum of elements of C. Sum of elements of C, and that too in particular if they are 3-digit. Sum of elements of C which are 3-digit numbers, which are 3-digit. So in identifying sum of elements of C which are 3-digit are nothing but sigma running from 11 to 110 9k plus L, and that is nothing but 9 into sigma k running from 11 to 110 plus sigma k running from 11 to 110 L. That is equals to 9 into, what you say about that sigma k now. See, 11 to 110 we are going to calculate. You just have a look. I am going to calculate numbers. See, from 11 to 110, right? See, sum of the numbers from 11 to 110, all they are forming an arithmetic progression, right, with a common difference of 1. Since I picked out 9, here I need to mention 11 plus 12 plus and so on plus 110, right? Plus here what? Sigma k is running from 11 to 110 L. Okay. So if you pick out that L, you need to mention 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, because this is independent of k. This L is independent of k, right? So now this is 9 into sum of all the numbers from 11 to 110 using the formula of sequences. Sum of n terms of arithmetic progression is n by 2 into first term plus last term. Here total number of numbers, how many numbers are there? 11 to 110. If you observe, the total number of 11s are 100. So 100 by 2 into first one 11 and the last one 110. Plus here L into, since there are totally 100 numbers starting from 11 to 110, so adding ones for 100 times is 100. And on simplification, this answer is simply nothing but what? Yeah. This answer is 54450 plus 100 L. Sum of elements of C, in particularly 3-digit elements of C, is 54450 plus 100 L. Okay, but what we need to find? I need to find out the sum of the elements of the set A intersection of B union C. So this time you just think about B union C. See, B is 9k plus 2 form numbers, but C is 9k plus L form numbers. That L is not known here. That L may be 2, that L may not equals to 2. Okay, if L is equals to 2, what will happen? If L is equals to 2, B is equals to C is equals to B union C. And in this time, the required summation is, this particular value, right? 54450 plus 100 into L, since it is 2 into 2, and that is equals to 54650. But given that the summation is 274 into 400, if you multiply 274 into 400, that particular value is 109600. Okay, if L is equals to 2, the summation is not that equal to the given sum, so L is equals to 2 is not acceptable here. So the next thing is L not equals to 2. Since L is not equals to 2, then L may be any other number. Then what to say about A intersection of B union C? Since L is not equals to 2, then we need to find out the sum of elements of B union C. Then since L is not equals to 2, L may be any other number which are not equals to 2, though in this case B intersection C is empty, right? Since B intersection C is empty, then for sure N of B union C is equals to N of B plus N of C. Then in the same way, required sum is equals to sum from B, which is 54650, sum from C, which is 54450 plus 100L. As I mentioned here, N of B and N of C, but since we are searching for the sum of elements, you just take sum of elements of B union C is equals to sum of elements of B plus sum of elements of C, because B intersection C is empty. Okay, and that required sum, as they mentioned, which is 274 into 400, which is 109600. So you just try to solve this, and on simplification you will get that L value as 5. So your answer for the problem is 5 at the end. So 5 is your answer. See, at the end I will rate this problem as a somewhat difficult problem, because students may feel difficult in identifying this, in solving this type of problems. So this question is from sets. Have a look. Look at the problem. Question is from relations, asked in 26th February morning session of JEE Mains 2021. See, a relation is mentioned in the problem. Just look at the problem. R is the relation at which contain the points P comma Q, and we will say that P and Q are in relation if they are at same distance from origin. See, we need to find out the equivalence class of 1 comma minus 1 among the options. See, one thing, we need to check whether R is equivalence or not. See, clearly R is equivalence because R is symmetric, R is reflexive, as well as R is transitive. How we are saying about R, whether it is symmetric, reflexive or transitive? See, clearly if you check, all the three are acceptable for that R, and that too, the question is not asking us to check that, but R is reflexive. Why? Because if you take a point and see P comma P is in the relation, because P comma P are at the same distance from origin, because we are searching, we are calculating the distance from origin. Since if the point is same, the distance is same. And in the same way, it is acceptable for symmetric also. If P and Q are at same distance from origin, for sure Q and P are also at same distance from origin. Transitive is also acceptable because P and Q are equidistant from origin. Q and R are also equidistant from origin. So it says that OP is equals to OQ. This says that OQ is equals to OR, and we will write OP is equals to OR, which conveys that P comma R again in the same relation. So the property is transferred and transitive is also acceptable. So R is the relation which is symmetric, reflexive and transitive, and so R is always equivalence. See, but the question is about finding equivalence class of 1 comma minus 1. So with that particular property, we need to identify one set which contains 1 comma minus 1. See, among the options, only this fourth option is satisfying the given point 1 comma minus 1. So that's your answer. Actually in the exam, no need to check whether it is equivalence or not. Directly we need to find out the option in which is satisfying the given point, and your option is 4, and one of the easy problem which saves your time at the examination, right? But it needs a little bit knowledge related to the equivalence classes. If you know about the equivalence class, if you know about relations, then easily you will mark the option and you will save time, and you will use that time in answering some other question. So these are the questions from sets and relations from the JEE Mains February 2021 sessions. Have a look at the sheet and try to follow all the videos. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Learn from these videos. Do share it and then leave your comments. Thank you.